Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll explore Telegram Web's latest update and learn how to quickly navigate to specific dates in your chats. Whether you're searching for an old conversation or revisiting important details, this feature will save you time. Let's dive right in. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. Head to the official website, log in using your credentials, and ensure you're on the main chat interface. Once there, locate the conversation you want to explore. Click on the chat to open it. This could be a group, channel, or private message. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll through the chat until you see a date stamp above any message. These stamps appear as bold headers separating messages by day. Click directly on the date itself. A calendar pop-up will instantly appear, displaying the current month. With the calendar open, you can navigate to any date you need. Use the arrows at the top to switch between months or years. Once you've found your desired date, click it to select. Below the calendar, you'll notice a button labeled Jump to Date. Give it a click, and Telegram will instantly take you to the messages from that exact day. This feature is perfect for tracking down old files, verifying past discussions, or simply reliving memories. No more endless scrolling, just pinpoint accuracy. If you need to adjust the date, repeat the process. Click the date stamp again, pick a new day, and jump. Telegram Web's streamlined design makes this process smooth and efficient. Whether you're managing work conversations or personal chats, mastering this tool ensures you'll never lose track of important moments. That's all for today's guide. With these steps, you're now equipped to navigate Telegram chats by date like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more tips and tricks to enhance your messaging experience. Until next time.